Hi, my name is Jean, and the name of my channel is Jean Home Decor and More. Welcome to Quick and Easy Meals. Quick and Easy Meals is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and it is co-hosted by myself, Jean, of Jean Home Decor and More, Deborah Cabassa Home Living, and Buckey Girl Wreaths and Things. Well, as you can see, guys, from the ingredients here, we're having sweet and sour meatballs tonight. And here is a pic of it. Okay, so in the ingredients for the sweet and sour meatballs are soy sauce, and I'm using Italian style meatballs. We're using light brown sugar, pineapple slices, cornstarch. I'm gonna cut up this green pepper. We're gonna use a little apple cider vinegar, and I'm gonna use salt and pepper for now, but I have my son-in-law here who is the king of seasonings, so he is gonna help make sure that I season this correctly. Let me swing around. Wait a minute, you gonna make sure I season it up right?
You'll be right. You'll be fine with me, right by your side.
Before we get started, I just want to say one more thing. The recipe calls for making your own meatballs using a pound of hamburger. You could also use turkey, but I'm taking the super, because this is quick and easy, so I'm taking the super easy route, and I am using pre-cooked Italian style meatballs. So with that, I'm going to get started, and then I'm going to come back and share with you some details on quick and easy meals. Okay guys, so what's making this meal so quick and easy is, like I said, I'm using these pre-cooked, cooked perfect meatballs, Italian style. So that's what I have, and I have them in a crock pot. So that's really going to make it easy, because once I pour this, the sauce over top, it can just stay warmed up in the crock pot. So how easy is that? So let's move over here. Here is the sauce, and here I've mixed up the pineapple, cornstarch, brown sugar, soy sauce, and a little vinegar, and I'm going to bring that to a boil. And then I'm going to pour that over top of the meatballs. And then once it gets done, pretty much toward the end, then I'm going to cut up the green pepper. Because really, what you don't want the green pepper to be super soggy. You just want it to be al dente. So I want to stop and tell you that the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, her link will be in the description box down below, along with the other co-hosts, Debbie Cabassa Home Living and Buckey Girl Wreaths and Things. And then I'm also going to include the hashtag Quick and Easy Meals 23. You guys click on that link and you'll be able to see some other quick and easy meals that you may want to try. And I would also like to recommend that you stop by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, stop by her channel, Deborah Cabassa Home Living, stop by her channel, and Buckey Girl Wreaths and Things. Thank you all for watching, and continue watching to the end, to the reveal. Okay guys, here's the reveal. Sweet and sour meatballs over rice with a nice salad. Quick and easy. Until the next time, bye-bye.